Powwow Food review. I'm at Gathering of Nations here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I'm gonna start with the shortest line possible, which is this lemonade stand. And you always have to have a powwow lemonade when you come to a powwow. So here it is. It's a cherry lemonade. Oh, that hits. Kind of not the best customer service, but very good. I have a green chili pizza here from that Res X or whatever. Oh my god, that green chili, you can just smell it. It tastes good. It tastes really good. It's kind of slim pickings here, to be honest. Okay, to show you, this is a green chili and lamb from Yellow Man Tacos. Yellow Man Fry Bread. Making stuff up. Oh, this looks good. It feels good. It's really hot.
Lemon green chili.
Oh my god. This was $16, but it's worth it. I'd pay $16 for this again. Oh my god. It was really, really good.
Yes, I put it on the
And I have curly fries with some jalapenos.
Prize money in all adult categories.
Crunchy, delicious, yum. Got a corn dog.
Oh yeah.
This is a hoka potato.
Amazing musical performances to.
I don't know. I'm gonna try it here.
Before this evening, we
Hoka.
energy just a bit.
Oh my god, it's so good. I'm just full. Just full to the brim. Fucking deadly.
Glad to see each and every
They're really
one of you out here.